So we'll start off in Google Chrome, and the first thing that you're going to want to do to add your tabs to a group is right-click on the tab, click Add Tab to New Group, give the tab a name, the group a name, and a color. Once you're done with that, you can click off, and as you can see, the Google Sheets tab is inside the Work group. And if you have a tab that is not in that group, click on it, and then click on the name of the group, and it'll collapse it. Click on it again, it'll open it up. And so now if you want to add tabs into that group, you could simply just click and hold on the tab and drag it to the left into the group. Same as this one, click and hold, drag it to the left into the group. You can open up a new tab that's not the group, you can collapse this and just make it nice and compact. And the bad thing about this though, Google Chrome, is if you were to X out Chrome right now and open it back up, this would not be here. Your whole group, everything, your group and the tabs inside the group, they would not save. So that your group is only going to be in here as long as you're in the browser. If you were to X out your browser and reopen it, they would not save. So that is the disappointing thing about Google Chrome. Okay, so now we're in Microsoft Edge, and we're going to do the same thing. We're starting off making a group. You're going to right click on the tab, click Add Tab to New Group, name your group. So I'm going to name this Work once again, and you can color it whatever color. I'm going to name it. I'm just going to have it blue, and close up that. And now you can see that my Google Sheet tab is inside my Work group. And once again, if you were to click on a tab that is not in that group and click on Work, it'll collapse it, open it, just like Chrome. And once again, click and hold on your tab, drag it to the left, and it'll drag it inside of your group. Open another tab, you can collapse it and open it up again. Now the nice thing about Edge is it does save your group. So if I were to X out of Microsoft Edge and open it back up, as you can see, it still has my work group. And just click on these tabs, so refresh, and they're all still in your work group. It's saved, all of this. That is the very, very nice thing about Microsoft Edge compared to Google Chrome. And in my opinion, this is my favorite browser because one of these features is all about these groups right here.